The Power of Magnets, written by Elizabeth Austin. Invisible magnetism. A magnet is a special metal that attracts other metals. Look around your home and try to find one. Did you know that there may be hundreds of magnets in your home? You can't see most of them, but they're inside your telephone, blender, and hairdryer. Computers are full of magnets, and most of the electricity that runs these things comes from magnetism. Magnetism is a force that's invisible. This force only pulls on some metals, such as iron. A magnet will not pull on copper or on wood either. Magnetism flows through a magnet. It goes in one end and out the other. These two ends are the north and south poles. The force flows out the North Pole and back in the South Pole. You can use two magnets to feel magnetism. The North Pole of one magnet will attract the South Pole of the other one. Now try to push the two North Poles together. It isn't easy. Two North Poles will always repel each other. So will two South Poles. Magnets everywhere. Magnets have many modern uses. One credit card can have millions of magnets. These magnets are tiny, no bigger than grains of powder. Each tiny magnet points in its own direction. The different directions of the magnets make a code. Computers read the code. Putting a credit card near a powerful magnet can mess up or erase the code. Magnets help make and use electricity. Almost all the electricity you use comes from machines called generators. Generators make electricity by spinning magnets around coils of wire. The magnetism makes an electric current in the wire. Electric motors work like generators in reverse. They use electric current and magnets to spin an axle. The axle can be used to turn fans, cutting blades, or wheels. Fans, blenders, and remote control cars use the power from these moving parts. Magnets allow some high-speed trains to float above the track. The trains actually fly as they travel. This makes for a fast, smooth ride. Doctors use a very powerful magnet to look inside a person's body. It helps doctors see cancer and other kinds of illness without having to cut open the person. Magnets are fun. They're also really useful. Every time you watch television or even turn on a light, you are using magnets. Make your own magnet. You will need a large iron nail, a strong magnet, and several paper clips. 1. Hold the nail by one end and slide it across the magnet in one direction. Keep sliding it over and over. 2. After 20 to 30 times, touch the nail to the paper clips. Does the nail pick up the clips? How many can it pick up at once? Keep stroking the nail along the magnet to make the nail's magnetic force stronger. See if you can pick up all the paper clips at once.